Today I have installed the Forza Horizon 4. When I tried to launch the game won't open. To fix it, open Task Manager and open search Forza and close this application. Once you're done, check my video description for these 4 port updates. Once you have these 4 ports, select all these ports and right click and select pin drawer and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the application and select yes option. Select OK and select next. Select the browse option and navigate to game folder and select the game folder and select OK and select next. Already exits. Select yes option. Select next install. Once this installation done, select finish. And now you can open the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.